Hindi ka pa ba komportableng mag-invest sa mga risky na investment? Subukan mo ang Soldibo Bond Fund. Conservative option na pwedeng palaguin ang pera mo. Ang Soldibo Bond Fund ay isang mutual fund na nag-i-invest sa high-grade fixed income securities kagaya ng government at corporate bonds. As of June 2025, mostly government bonds na ang hawak nito. Government bonds are considered low risk dahil supported sila ng government. May power silang mag-print ng pera, mangutang at maningil ng tax, kaya reliable ang returns. Manage din ito ng Atram, one of the top asset managers in the Philippines. Noong 2020, Soldibo Bond Fund was awarded Top Peso Intermediate Bond Fund with 8.07% annual return, making it the best performing bond fund in the Philippines that year, even beating Pag-ibig MP2. Kung gusto mo ng safe, simple at inflation-fighting investment, Soldibo Bond Fund is a strong option. At pwede kang magsimula dito for as low as 1,000 pesos. Kaya mag-invest ka na. For more smart investing tips, follow Ramber Financials.